Welcome back once again. I will request once again to switch on your videos. Okay. Next. Responsibility and welcome again. So we were on the topic responsibility and duty. I hope this was clear to you. Next type of responsibilities. We have different types of responsibilities. Okay, we have different types of responsibilities. Okay, we have the responsibility about social responsibility. We have social responsibility. We have responsibility of employer. Now what are the types of responsibility? But 1 minute, excuse me. Okay. Different types of responsibility we are having. We are having different types of responsibility: personal duties, social responsibilities. Okay, social responsibility, responsibility of employer, responsibility of family, social responsibility, responsibility of your colleagues, responsibility, etc. Okay, now next come to the time management. What is time management? Time, which is the most important topic for the students. Okay, which is most important topic for the student under the employability skill. Time management. Time management is the prioritization of the work. It is the prioritization of the work. Priority the things you have to do. Remove the waste and the redundancy from the work. This is called time management. This is the prioritization of your work. Okay, prioritization of your work. This is called time management. Now here you set your goal. Here you can see you set your goals and then you prioritize. Here you can see that here you set your goals. Here you set your goals, then you prioritize your works, then you define the time limits, then organize your resource, then delegate your works, then reduce the redundancy, avoid the stress, and pre-planned task. Now I will, from the student point of view, this topic is most important for you. Time management. Now setting the goals. Now what are the goals? What are the goals? What are the goals? Wait 1 minute. I think somebody wishes to join. Okay. Let's see here. Once again, I draw this. Now come to the point one by one. Okay, come to point one by one. Now, so first of all, as a student, you are supposed to set your goal. Now, what should be your goal? Your goal should be that you should now you are the board candidate. You should pass your examination by the flying color. Now you will prioritize your works. You will prioritize your works. What are the different works of the student? Students are supposed to do different types of work. You are supposed to involve yourself in the co-curricular activities, games, sports, and different things. Okay, everything is necessary for you. At the same time, studying is also necessary for you, as you have set your goal that I have to do this thing. I have to achieve flying club success. Now somebody might set a goal that I have to do test in the sports event which is conducted by the school. Now this is your goal. Now you will prioritize your work. Somebody will start reading, somebody will start practicing. Okay, now you will define the time limits. You will define the time limits. For the studying, I will give this much time. For playing, I will give this much time. For interacting with the friends, I will give this much time. Okay, you define the time slots. Okay, this is Then you organize, because at the in order to achieve the flying color of success, in order to do best in your board examination, you will not cut off yourself from the family member, you will not cut off yourself from the society, you will not cut off from your society, family member and your friends. So you have to give time on all of them. But the prioritization, I have already told you that time management, it is the prioritization of the work. You have prioritized your work and you will define the time limits for the different things. Then you will organize your resource. You organize your resource. You will resources, your books, copy, teachers, friends, they all are your resource. You will organize your resource. In order to do better, you need some book, some copies, some notes. You need the support of some teacher. You need the support of your families. You need the support of your friends. No, you need to organize all the things. You need to organize all the things. Then you can delegate the work. Delegation means कि अपना काम दूसरे से करवाना. Delegation means getting your work done by the other. This is called delegation. Okay, then you delegate the work. ठीक है, मान लो अगर हम एक स्कूल के अगर हम हेड हैं और हम चाहते हैं कि मेरे स्कूल का अगर बढ़िया हो रिजल्ट, तो हम अपना गोल सेट किए. आई हैव सेट माय गोल दैट द रिजल्ट ऑफ माय स्कूल शुड बी बेस्ट. देन आई हैव प्रायोरिटाइज्ड द वर्क. Then that the delegation doesn't come at the student level, but at the it come at the executive level. ठीक है, एग्जीक्यूटिव लेवल पर आता है. जैसे मान लो कि हम एक अधिकारी हैं और चाहते हैं कि हमारे स्कूल का रिजल्ट बढ़िया हो, तो हम सब काम को प्रायोरिटाइज कर दिए, हम सबका टाइम डिसाइड कर दिए, सभी को रिसोर्स दे दिए और सबको बोल दिए किसको क्या काम करना है. ठीक है, हम सबको बोल दिए. सारा काम तो हम अकेले नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है, सारा काम हम अकेले नहीं करेंगे, हम अपना काम को हमको किसी से करवाना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, फिर reduce the redundancies, right? You reduce the redundancy which are hurdle. Okay, avoid stress. We will see it after this topic, stress. Okay, after this we will have the topic stress. Okay, then pre-planned tasks and the set. These are the about the time management. Okay, this is all about the time management. I hope it is clear to you. Time management, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Next, come to the next slide.
Yes, sir.
Importance of the time management. It is time, when you have the good time management, definitely it will reduce from the stress, a sense of, it will give you the sense of achievement in you. Okay, the good time management always gives it is the reduction of stress. It gives the sense of achievement, increasing energy, increasing productivity, achieving goal, and it is an essential life skill. This is all about the first and the foremost thing which we will see in the coming time also, the reduction of stress. When you have the students, you will be having your board examination. Most of the examinations, most of the students, they suffer from the exam phobia. The reason is that the exam phobia is one of the reason behind the exam phobia, and the stress during the examination time is that you don't have the good time management. Okay, you don't have the good time management. If you had the good time management, you will there the stress will reduce. Okay, it gives you the sense of achievement. It gives you the sense, the feeling of achievement that I am doing the work. I will pass. I will do it. Okay. Then increasing productivity and achieving goals. I hope it is clear to you. Next, importance of time management. Next, after this, adaptability. Adaptability. Can you see the picture? Can you see the picture? Can you see the picture?
Yes, sir.
What conclusion do you draw from the picture? What conclusion you draw? First picture, adaptability. Chameleon has adapted. Chameleon has adapted. तरबूजे को देखकर तरबूजा पकता है और जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं कि गिरगिट की तरह रंग बदलता है. सिचुएशन चेंज हुआ, वो अपना रंग बदल लिया. Means he has adapted himself. Okay, the chameleon has adapted. Adaptability. Stay current with the best practices. This is the meaning of the adaptability. Stay current with the best practices. Okay, and read up the new information always. Prepare yourself for the new change, so you can transition seamlessly. Okay, or it is ability to be changed or to be changed to fit in the altered situation. The exciting and the most appropriate example, of the adaptability is this pandemic, where you have where you have where you have where we have changed ourselves. Okay, where we have changed ourselves. Okay, the best example of the adaptability is the this situation of pandemic, where we have adopted the corona, and we are fighting with corona. Okay, we have adopted, we are well adopted. ओके, आई एंड यू, स्कूल्स आर क्लोज, स्कूल बंद है, स्कूल में ताला लगा हुआ है, मगर स्कूल के एक्टिविटी पर ताला नहीं लगा हुआ है. टीचर्स आर टीचिंग, स्टूडेंट्स आर लर्निंग. प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ. ओके, टीचर्स आर teaching, students are learning. How it is possible? We have adopted the technology. The teachers who were very far away, those who were using only mobile to receive the call, they are using the other techniques, other technology available in mobile, okay, to teach you. They have adopted, they have attended the change. Okay, so I hope adaptability. So that you can see the chameleon. Chameleon is an exciting example of adaptability. As the situation change, chameleon also changes color. Now, the basic purpose of the adaptability, basic purpose, the adaptability, you have to adopt the changing situation. Okay, you have to adopt, means adaptability, you have to adopt the change situation. There will be change in the situation, and if you have to adopt it. Now suppose the situation has changed and you are saying that it is not possible. The adaptability says that impossible should be pronounced as I am possible. Okay, it is possible. Okay, definitely there will be change, and seeing the change, you should not say that it is not possible. You should say that it is possible. How you will say that it is possible? Only when you will adopt the change. Different factors will be there to adopt the change. You will have to adopt the new technology. You will have to adopt the new criteria. You will have to adopt the new feeling. You will have to adopt some, you have to change the emotion. You have to adopt some behavior. You will have to change some behavior. So this is the adaptability. Any problem to anybody? Next is the very important topic and interesting too. Any problem to anybody? All are muted. Tell me any problem? किसी को कोई दिक्कत है तो बताओ. Adaptability, time management. Amar, tell me, do you have any problem? Amar, Archit, Ayush.
Sir, adaptability एक बार और.
Adaptability. There will be change in the situation. ठीक है? Adaptability, there will be change in the situation, and you have to attend that change in the situation. You have to adopt. You have to adjust yourself in the change situation. And who is calling? हेलो, हाँ, कौन? हाँ, किस चीज का? Definitely there will be change in the situation. Some of the students, they are making again and again call. Now how I will provide them the roll number? तो नंबर चाहिए, रोल नंबर चाहिए, कहाँ से हम करेंगे? Now see, adaptability you asked. There will be change in the situation. definitely there will be change in the situation. As you can see there it has been change in the situation in the pandemic. Okay, कोरोना वायरस जो भी चला हुआ है तो सिचुएशन में एक चेंज है. ठीक है, अब हम लोग कैसे अपने आप को एडजस्ट किए, हाउ वी हैव एडजस्टेड आवरसेल्फ, हाउ वी हैव एडजस्टेड आवरसेल्फ. To adjust any change situation, you will have to develop new behavior, new feature. This is called adaptability. This is called adaptability. I hope you have understood it. Amar Verma, Amar Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Any problem? Now let's come to the stress management. Okay, this is very important topic and very. He is disturbing me. Again and again. See here. Now, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट. देखो ये टॉपिक सिर्फ एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से नेसेसरी नहीं है. दिस इज जनरल टॉपिक और ये सभी को जानना चाहिए, इसको सभी को पढ़ना चाहिए, समझना चाहिए. नाउ कम टू स्ट्रेस. ओके, व्हाट इज स्ट्रेस? Stress is a body reaction. Stress is a body reaction to a challenge or demand. Okay, it is a body's reaction to a challenge or demand. In short brush, stress can be positive, वो तो हम लोग बाद में देखेंगे. Stress is a feeling of emotion or physical tension, and it comes from event or thought. Okay, stress comes from event or thought, right? You can see here, feeling of, it is a feeling of emotion. Okay, first thing, it is feeling of emotion, or it may be a physical tension, and it may come from any event or any thought. Okay, so this is called stress, and ultimately what it does, it makes you frustrated. Ultimately, stress makes you frustrated, angry and nervous. बच्चों इसको ध्यान से सुनोगे, ठीक है? ये टॉपिक एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, स्ट्रेस इज अ फीलिंग ऑफ इमोशन, फिजिकल टेंशन which comes from event or any thought, and it make you feel frustrated, angry and nervous, right? So this is about the stress. Okay, this is about the stress. Okay, now stress, it is a state of body and mind. Stress is a state of body and mind which stress is a feeling of body and mind, and which comes from any event, any thought which make you feel frustrated and angry. Okay, it is a feeling of mind and body. It is feeling of mind and body which makes you frustrated and angry. Stress can develop through any event and from any thought. किसी के बात से भी स्ट्रेस हो सकता है, किसी काम से भी स्ट्रेस हो सकता है. ओके, सो स्ट्रेस इज योर बॉडी रिएक्शन. और स्ट्रेस क्या है? एक रिएक्शन भी है. स्ट्रेस इज अ रिएक्शन ऑफ द बॉडी अगेंस्ट चैलेंज और द डिमांड. ठीक है, अब हम इसी चीज को एग्जांपल से हम प्रूव करते हैं. आई प्रूव इट बाय द एग्जांपल. अभी मान लो यहाँ पर एक सांप आया, ठीक है, मैं देख लिया कि मेरे घर में, आई एम टीचिंग यू, एंड ऑल ऑफ सडन आई हैव सीन a snake on the window. Now there is change in situation. यहाँ पर एक इवेंट हुआ है, सिचुएशन चेंज किया है, इवेंट हुआ, ठीक है. और अब now it will force me, I came in tension, देखकर हम डर गए, frightened, ठीक है. It will force me, okay, ये हमको कुछ चेंज, okay, it challenge, it demand, ये कुछ चैलेंज कर रहा है हमको कि क्या किया जाए. या तो हम स्नेक को मार सकते हैं या हम भाग सकते हैं, ठीक है. इट इज अ बॉडी रिएक्शन. हम देखे तो हमारे ऊपर क्या हुआ? रिएक्शन हुआ. जब सांप को हम एक देखे तो हमारे ऊपर एक रिएक्शन हुआ, हमारे ऊपर एक फीलिंग डेवलप हुआ. इट इज अ रिएक्शन, ठीक है. आई गॉट फ्राइटेंड, आई गॉट एंगर्ड, ठीक है. डर गए और क्या कर रहे हैं, नर्वस होने लगे, ये हमारा माइंड का स्टेटस है। कब हुआ, जब हम सांप को देखे तब। दिस इज अ बॉडी रिएक्शन, दिस इज अ माइंड रिएक्शन। हम थरथराने लगे, ठीक है, थरथराने लगे, ठीक है। हम कहीं ब्लड देखे और हम एक चक्कर खाकर गिर गए, ठीक है। तो इट इज द एक्शन ऑफ माइंड एंड इट इज एक्शन ऑफ body. A state is a body reaction. It is action and reaction of body. It is action and reaction of mind. Okay. In demand of some challenge. कोई चैलेंज तुमको अगर दे दिया, ठीक है, किसी किसी कोई यह चैलेंज को एक्सेप्ट कर लेता है, कोई चैलेंज को नहीं एक्सेप्ट करता है, ठीक है। Those who accept the challenge, they come out of stress. Okay. अभी मान लो कि सांप आ गया, कोई एक आदमी देखेगा तो डरने लगा, ठीक है, उसका माइंड का एक्शन रिएक्शन चेंज हुआ, उसका बॉडी का एक्शन रिएक्शन चेंज हुआ, ठीक है। मतलब ही डिडंट कम, वो और वो डर गया, वो रोने लगा, ठीक है। दूसरा आदमी क्या है, वो सांप को देखा, उसके अंदर में भी कुछ एक्शन और रिएक्शन हुआ, एंड ही केम अप विद द स्टिक एंड ही हैज बिटन द स्नेक. So what is stress? Stress is a action and reaction of mind, action and reaction of body. It is a feeling of emotion or a physical tension that can develop through any event, that can develop through any thought. And stress makes you feel frustrated, angry, and nervous. Do you have any problem? Anybody? किसी को भी स्ट्रेस समझने में प्रॉब्लम? Do you have any definition? Do you have any problem? किसी को भी? Tell me. Khushi, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any problem?
No, sir.
Pranav Verma.
No, sir, no problem.
Shubham. Anybody? If you have problem, let me know. I have unmuted or Sanskriti?
No.
No. Okay. Okay. Next. So you have understood the stress. Next, now see, what are stress can be defined as our emotional, mental, physical, and social reaction also. Stress is also a reaction that prevail, that perceive demand or threats. Demand or threats are called stressor. देखो अभी स्ट्रेस का यहाँ पर देखो एक पिक्चर यहाँ पर डाला हुआ है, इस पिक्चर से तुम समझ सकते हो कि all those things, the basic thing behind the picture is that you can see stress is here at the center. You can see here the stress is here at the center. This is stress. Okay, and you can see all these things: 1, 2, anxious, sadness, tension, exam doubt, fighting, overbilling, loneliness, overweight. This is also tension. This also causes stress. Violence. Okay, so all this which cause stress, they are called stressors. What they are called? They are called stressors. Stress can be defined as our emotional, mental, physical, and social reaction to any perceived demand or threat. These demand and threats are called stressors. Abhi just now I had given you an example of a snake. I have seen the snake. Now the snake is a stressor for me. The snake is a stressor for me. Now suppose you have told me that, sir, please give me 500 rupees. I will give you. Now I don't have money. Now I am in a stress that, oh my God, a student, एक स्टूडेंट होकर मांग लिया है, हम दे नहीं पा रहे हैं, हमको बहुत टेंशन हो रहा है, ठीक है. दिस इज दैट मे बी द स्ट्रेस. So that this may cause stress. Okay, so I hope you have understood a stressor. Which cause stress? This is called a stressor. Now, a stressor and a stress. Now, what is a stressor and a stress? The pressure from the outside. This is a stressor. and stress is your response. This is the pressure. You have asked for the money. This is a stressor. Now it is forcing me. I am forced to manage money. I will start some work. To manage the money. This I will do some work. This is so stress force us to do some work. If we are able to do, definitely we overcome the stress. If we are not able to do, then stress overcome us. Okay, stress and the stressor. I hope it is clear. Stress is your response to the stressor. स्ट्रेसर हमको कुछ स्ट्रेसर हमें कुछ काम करने के लिए कुछ चेंज को अडॉप्ट करने के लिए मोटिवेट करता है, प्रेरित करता है, हमें उस्काता है, हमें उस्काता है, जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं उस्काना, टू फोर्स, मोटिवेट, कंपेल, ओके, कंपेल करता है। और अगर हम उसके कंपेल को सुनकर, अगर उसके मोटिवेशन को सुनकर, अगर उसके उस्कावे में हम आकर उस चेंज को अडॉप्ट कर लेते हैं तो प्रेशर हमारा, स्ट्रेस हमारा कम जाता है। स्ट्रेस इज द रिस्पॉन्स ऑफ द स्ट्रेसर। आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू यू। नेक्स्ट कम टू द नेक्स्ट। नाउ स्ट्रेस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ एवरीडे लाइफ। स्ट्रेस हमारे जिंदगी का एक अभिन्न अंग है, ठीक है। स्ट्रेस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर एवरीडे लाइफ। देयर इज अ मेनी इंस्टेंस वेयर देयर इज स्ट्रेस। हर जगह पर स्ट्रेस है और स्ट्रेस नीड टू बी मैनेज्ड, ठीक है। स्ट्रेस को मैनेज करना पड़ता है। स्ट्रेस को हम कैसे मैनेज करेंगे? बाय टाइम टेबल, बाय कैसे मैनेज करेंगे वो हम लोग देखेंगे। देखो अब यहाँ पर एक तुम ग्राफ देख रहे हो, यू कैन सी दिस ग्राफ, ओके। टू बी क्रिएटिव, बॉर्डम, पेट, डिससैटिस्फैक्शन, ओके, दिस गिव लिटिल स्ट्रेस। नेक्स्ट optimal stress, creativity, progress, motivation, they also give the stress. And less stress is anxiety, panic, anger, and illness, all this, okay। Next come to this part। Now stress is of two type, okay। अभी हम बार बार बता रहे हैं कि stress और stressor। stressor force us to do some work। stress are also good, okay। stress is also good, some stress are also good। stress they motivate us in doing work, they give us some challenge, ठीक है। अभी जैसे मान लो कोरोना का सिचुएशन चल रहा है, बहुत सारे, किसी को कोरोना हो गया है, वो स्ट्रेस में आ गया, ठीक है। किसी को मान लो सपोज वन हैज गॉट इन्फेक्टेड विद द कोरोना एंड he or she is in the stress। now he or she is in the stress, now he will try to adopt the change, okay। stressor is the corona and the body is responding, okay। now we are responding, so we are in the stress, okay। and now we have adopted the change, we are working on that stress, okay। we are working on that stressor। और हम धीरे धीरे जो है, कोरोना मान लो किसी व्यक्ति को हो गया तो वो स्टार्ट कर दिया अपना गिलोय लेना शुरू कर दिया, कोई दवा लेना शुरू कर दिया, गर्म पानी लेना शुरू कर दिया, और अपने आप को जो है वो धीरे धीरे थोड़ा उसको फीवर हुआ तो थोड़ा प्रिकॉशन लिया, और धीरे धीरे जो है वो उसका स्ट्रेस जो है वो कम गया, ठीक है। धीरे धीरे उसका स्ट्रेस कम गया, ठीक है। दिस इज कॉल्ड गुड स्ट्रेस। यहाँ देखो दो लाइन बना हुआ है, इस दो लाइन को हम बताकर आज का क्लास को हम कंक्लूड करेंगे। यू कैन सी हियर दिस, you can see here this one is, you can see this line, okay। you can see this line, okay। this is one line where, okay, this is ये परफॉर्मेंस और एरोजल ग्राफ है, ठीक है। इसके बाद वाला ग्राफ में और ज्यादा क्लियर हो जाएगा। दिस इज वन एंड यू कैन सी दिस इज अनदर लाइन, ओके। दिस इज अनदर लाइन, ओके। नाउ व्हाट यू कैन सी, अब स्ट्रेसर हैज फोर्स्ड यू, स्ट्रेसर ने अपना काम किया, ठीक है। एग्जाम है, परसों से एग्जाम है, दिस इज स्ट्रेसर। नाउ परसों से एग्जाम है, ओ माय गॉड, आई केम इन स्ट्रेस। नाउ व्हाट आई हैव डन, आई हैव मेड अ रूटीन, मैंने तुरंत रूटीन बनाया, आई हैव मेड अ रूटीन एंड नाउ आई हैव स्टार्टेड रीडिंग। नाउ आई वाज इन स्ट्रेस, माय स्ट्रेस increased, my stress increase, I started to read, I made timetable, I started to read, I started revision, and now finally the level of stress is going down. Okay, level of stress is going down. So this type of stress whose level goes down, this is called good stress. और जिस स्ट्रेस का लेवल बढ़ता जा रहा है, कमने का नाम नहीं ले रहा है, वो स्ट्रेस खराब होता है. जहां जिस स्ट्रेस से हमारे काम करने का क्षमता, हमारा परफॉर्मेंस, दोज स्ट्रेस which motivate us, those stress which give us opportunity to work, which help us to perform, they are called good stress. You can see this is performance over graph. You can see that the performance has increased. Okay, performance has increased. In the next graph it will come more clear. This is not very appropriate, but I have taken it to make you understand. This is not very appropriate. In next slide it is. Come to the next slide. This will make you more clear. परफॉर्मेंस यहाँ पे नहीं लिखा हुआ होना चाहिए था. ठीक है, ये देखो यहाँ पर परफॉर्मेंस यहाँ भी है. ठीक है, जहां पर तुम्हारा परफॉर्मेंस बढ़ता है, ठीक है, परफॉर्मेंस बढ़ता है, ये यहाँ देखो प्रेशर और टाइम ग्राफ है. हियर यू कैन सी दिस इज प्रेशर एंड टाइम ग्राफ. ठीक है, जहां पर बदलते समय के साथ, चेंजिंग टाइम के साथ, जहां पर प्रेशर कमता है वो स्ट्रेस बढ़िया है. दोज स्ट्रेस where the pressure decreases with the passing time, that stress is called a good stress, and where pressure continuously increases, that is called bad stress. Here again you can see the two graphs. Okay, एक में देखो कि प्रेशर जो है नीचे में बदलते समय के साथ देखो प्रेशर बढ़ता जा रहा है, और दूसरे में प्रेशर कम गया. जिसमें प्रेशर कमता जा रहा है दैट इज कॉल्ड गुड स्ट्रेस. जहां प्रेशर बढ़ रहा है दैट इज कॉल्ड बैड स्ट्रेस. आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू यू. पॉजिटिव स्ट्रेस where there is reduction in the pressure by the passing time and increase in the performance with the passing time, this is called good stress, also called US stress. US stress means the good stress and distress means the bad stress. US stress motivate you, help you to focus, improve your performance, feel exciting, don't last for the long. US stress हमेशा कमता है, बढ़िया स्ट्रेस हमेशा धीरे से कम जाएगा, तुमको थोड़ा मोटिवेट करेगा और वो कमता जाता है. Distress, it causes anxiety, it be overwhelming, feel unpleasant, decrease your performance को decrease कर देता है, and can continue for the long time. This is about the distress. I hope you got it. Next is the stress management. Okay, next is the stress management that we will see later on. Okay, that we will see later on. Okay, all of you, have you understood it? Stress, students, tell me.
Yes, sir.
स्ट्रेस
Yes,
क्या होता
sir.
है बताओ. कोई भी बताओ स्ट्रेस क्या. रानी बताओ स्ट्रेस क्या होता है. रानी, टेल मी व्हाट इज स्ट्रेस.
Yes, sir.
यस सर नहीं, बताओ क्या होता है स्ट्रेस. हम भी तुमको स्ट्रेस दे रहे हैं. आई एम स्ट्रेसर, आई एम गिविंग यू स्ट्रेस. यू टेल
Sir,
मी.
stress is the one's body's reaction to a challenge.
Come on the camera, remove your shyness, be bold.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I am turning it.
2 minutes left, hurry up. Okay,
Sir,
Pranav.
stress is one's body's reaction to a challenge or a demand. Or stress can be positive, such as when it helps to avoid any danger or meet or a deadline. Or we
Okay.
can also say that it is a feeling of physical tension.
स्ट्रेस का लेवल कमना चाहिए या बढ़ना चाहिए.
तो कमना चाहिए.
ठीक है, स्ट्रेस अच्छे भी होते हैं, कुछ दाग अच्छे होते हैं, कुछ दाग खराब होते हैं. ठीक है, खुशी, टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट द स्ट्रेस, व्हाट यू हैव लर्नड. खुशी, प्रणव, यू टेल मी.
Yes, sir. Sir, stress is our response towards the stressors.
Okay, yes, definitely. Stress is a response to a stressor. Now, what is bad stress? What is the characteristic of bad stress? What is the characteristic of the
Keeps
bad
on
stress?
increasing.
The level of pressure keep increasing with the time. ठीक है, बढ़ते समय के साथ प्रेशर, उसका प्रेशर बढ़ता जाता है, समय जैसे जैसे बढ़ रहा है तो प्रेशर भी बढ़ रहा है। अगर प्रेशर कम रहा है तो वो बढ़िया स्ट्रेस हो गया, वो दाग अच्छे हैं। ठीक है, आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड। निकी टेल मी, निकी
Yes, sir.
टेल मी।
Stress is a feeling of emotion or physical action that makes feel frustrated, angry.
You have told only negative thing, that you are telling only the frustration. It also motivate you. It also motivate you.
Yes, sir.
It also motivate you. Okay. So Sanskriti, finally you
Yes.
conclude it.
Sir,
Switch on your camera. Be bold. सभी को बोलने का आदत, कैमरा फेस करने का, पब्लिक को फेस करने का आदत होना चाहिए। 10वीं क्लास के बच्चे हो, ठीक है, यू ऑल आर द स्टूडेंट, यू मस्ट नो हाउ टू फेस द ऑडियंस। चलो बताओ, कंक्लूड इट संस्कृति। आफ्टर
sir,
दिस वी विल
stress
कंक्लूड इट।
is
स्ट्रेस इज
a response.
टेल मी।